Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Rater. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Rater and become a patron today. Thank you. Hey everybody, this is Hans the Ramen Rater coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, I've got the first of a whole ton of varieties from Malaysia. These are from Mamee Double Decker. This is their SLRP. Segera, Perisa Kari Berapi. So, I think Berapi means kind of spicy. I'm not sure. Extra pedas would be like extra spicy, so I'm not sure what the Berapi means. But we got like, yeah, it's curry. And I'm in the mood for curry, and I'm in the mood for another mukbang. So, let's have a look here. This is what the cup looks like. It's a plastic cup. Where is that fill line? I don't think it's all the way at the top, is it? Couldn't be. Fill to... Is there a line on the side of this? 350 mils worth of water, it says. So it's going to be up there pretty high. Okay. We'll add the powder. Oh, yeah. Yes. Yes. This is curry time. For sure. And we gotta put something on top, so we're gonna put this. You can go on top there. Yeah. And we got 3 minutes. So yeah. Let's do that. There we go. So what's new? It is the what day is it? It's Tuesday, the 24th of March, 2020, and it just gets weirder and weirder, folks. They're supposed to be giving everybody a bunch of free money, but of course the Republicans and Democrats can't get together on that. Trump wants to be done with the whole thing. It was a bad dream. We just want to make it stop. So, just make it stop. Easter. We'll all be back and everybody be happy on Easter. It's like, whatever. All this stuff changes. That guy changes what he says by the minute. Yeah, I don't know. But we do always have Monopoly tickets. So there's a losing one, or a really a nothing one. Instant win, more game pieces. I'm hoping that they just give out, like, I want a big box of them. I'll peel out an entire box. $1 off. One Debbie Lily fragrant rose bouquet available in the floral department. So my wife's birthday is coming up pretty quick, and I would grab that, but generally she does not a big 50 cents off one bag of frozen potatoes. Yeah. She just, I get her flowers every once in a while, and she likes it, but when I ask her, so how about I get you some flowers? She's like, well, they just die. So she's got a little garden out back. Maybe I'll get her some new plants. Because then she can tend to them and raise them and be happy with them. Yeah. She likes plants way better than like flowers and stuff. But yeah, another thing to know. Where did all the regular size forks go? Come on, I need a regular fork. I don't like big long forks. I have a really weird thing about silverware. I like smaller, lighter spoons, and if possible, I like long-handled iced teaspoons. Those are like, if I have to have a spoon, I'd rather it be a long-handled iced teaspoon. I don't like large spoons and stuff that are too big. They just kind of irritate me. 3, 2, 1, and yeah. So there's that. And here, man, the sun's coming and going today. We really haven't had any snow. We haven't really had any rain yet, thank goodness. I'm hoping that kind of is a false alarm for this week. There's our curry berapi. I'm gonna just dump it in here for now. There we go. And we're gonna give it a try. And this is gonna be a mukbang. Yeah. Mmm. Okay, that's spicy. Very nice curry flavor. If you guys don't know, or you haven't been following for very long, there are two things in life that make life worth living. One of them is curry, and the other one is curry. So, really like curry. I don't know if this bowl's gonna be big enough. I guess we'll find out. That's always a dangerous. I don't think it's gonna be big enough, so I need to find another bowl. I think I'll go with this one. This should be big enough, right? I guess we'll definitely find out. Yeah, that works. Okay. So here's our bowl. And we're going to add some cool stuff to it. We're going to add, first off, a couple fish balls. It shows chicken, but I have to make chicken, and there's more than one variety of this stuff, so I'm going to hold off on chicken till next time. If that's all right with you. And there's our egg. Here, let's do a little slurp of broth. I can't help myself. There's the broth. Wowie zowie! Oh, come on. Ah, behave, behave! Well, kind of behaved. So there's some egg. Here's one of my most favorite things of all time. It's called tofu puff, also known as tofu pak. It's a wonderful thing. It just basically sucks up the flavor of anything you put it with. It's basically like tofu that poofs up. Poof poof. These are all things I learned about when I went and visited Malaysia. and from talking to Malaysian people and looking at the packaging from Malaysian instant noodles. And then one thing that works really well. Oh man. What doesn't work well is when this stuff shrivels. It happens so quickly. So this is mint leaf, and mint leaf is like, it's a pain in the butt, but it's worth it. It's really worth it. It really is, believe me, believe me. Yeah, that doesn't look pretty. That's like my main thing with mint leaf. It's gotta look nice. Let's get some more. It's cheap. I got this at H Mart the other day. How much was it? Like $1.70 for like a ridiculously huge amount of it. But it's like as soon as you open it, it starts getting crummy. Whoa, 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 mint leaf. Don't even think of taking a header on me. Okay. There's one. Two. And there we are. So we're going to do a little bit of rotato, and then I'm going to take a couple pictures, and then we're going to do a mukbang, because it's the kind of thing where I got to get moving on it quick. And making it look nice. So are y'all ready? Is everybody ready? Yeah. All right. Here we go. Oh, what else do we need? Do we need some fried garlic? Yes. Fried garlic. Anybody? What else do we have? What else can I ensnare with? Oh, sure. Maybe a little pepper flake. And there you go. All right, well, cool. Thanks to Felix over at Mamee Double Decker over in, I believe, Malacca for shooting this over. And hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles and your curry every day. Have a good one and bye.
Todo era bonito cuando lo hacían contigo. Ahora te pido amor como si fuera un mendigo. Y para ser bien claro, que les pidan a Cupido y te traigan pica pica para tus supuestos amigos. Como quieras, y si quieres lo hacemos a tu manera.